Exercise 1.2. Describe the lattice plane shown in the below figure. The image shows a lattice plane within a three-dimensional coordinate system commonly used in crystallography to represent atomic arrangement in crystal lattices. The three axes shown represents the crystallographic direction. Points along these axes are labeled as A, 2B and 2C, indicating position relative to the origin. The shaded blue triangular area represents a specific lattice plane within the crystal structure, and the dashed line outlines the boundaries of this plane connecting lattice points in space. The black dot represents lattice points, which corresponds to the position of atoms, ions or molecule in the crystals. The plane intersects the A-axis, B-axis and C-axis at points A, 2B and 2C respectively. This suggests that the plane is cutting through the lattice at fractional or integer multiple of the lattice constants. To describe this plane using Miller indices, that is HKL plane, we have to follow the following steps, that is to identify the intercepts with each axis. The plane intersects the axis at A axis, that is x axis at A, B axis, that is y axis at 2B, C axis, that is z axis at 2C. These points are crucial as they help define the orientation of the plane. Now in order to write the intercept in terms of lattice constants, for example, for the x-axis, the intercept is at 1A. For the y-axis, the intercept is at 2B, and for the z-axis, the intercept is at 2C, which can be expressed numerically as 1, 2, 2. Now to find the Miller indices, we take the reciprocal of the intercepts, that is 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. This simplifies to 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Now to eliminate the fractions, we will multiply all the values by 2, that is the least common multiple of the denominators, to get the final Miller indices for the plane are 2, 1, 1. This is the standard notation used to describe lattice planes in crystallography.